What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca. If it's your first time here, nice to meet you. Thank you for stopping in and seeing what I got going on over here. So I'm gonna get straight into it. Well, start off, I'm a cosplayer and a variety gaming streamer. Lately I have like 5 or maybe like 7 cosplay projects I'm working on right now. And I'm actually needing my 3D printer for it. Well, I'm needing my 3D printer for a lot of projects, especially one of my biggest builds. It's gonna be a Destiny 2 Hunter armor set that I'm building for DreamCon's cosplay contest. But my 3D printer back here is giving me a lot of problems. And actually, I was, in the process of about to take the hot end off because I ordered a new one because it keeps getting clogged. But it seems to, I don't know what's going on with it, honestly. I've cleaned it out, taken the nozzle off, I cleaned it out, I took off the Bowden tube, whatever it's called. I checked, I think the extruder gear is fine. Listen, this is my first 3D printer, I'm still learning a lot, so don't judge me too bad. But yeah, I ordered a new hot end and it should be here tomorrow, but I'm gonna try to print with it one more time. Because right now it's giving me a lot of problems and I really need it to work. I honestly need more than one printer because of all the things I have to build. And this is, I don't know if I said it, it's an Ender 3 V2, very much beginner printer. And I want to upgrade to the Bamboo Labs P1S, I think it's called. But if I can't get that one anytime soon, I'm gonna settle for the Ender 3 KE, Ender 3 something. I don't know. It's got auto leveling because this thing doesn't auto level. It's a pain in the butt. My back hurts a lot trying to level that thing, and it's just a lot going on. But so I was going to record. Okay, so if this doesn't work after, I'm gonna try printing with it again. If it doesn't work this next time, then I'm going to have to just replace the hot end. So that's what this video is gonna be. Me replacing the hot end, if you've never seen that before. It doesn't look too bad, it doesn't look too scary. This printer, I've had it for about 3 years, so it's probably time for maintenance anyway. I printed one large project on it, and it just, like I said, it just keeps getting clogged, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, so stay tuned. Alright, like I absolutely hate leveling this thing. Absolutely hate. You know what? I have to put the thing back on there. Like,
Two hours later.
Yeah, so it definitely failed again.
Bruh.
Yeah, I can't keep stopping and trying to fix it. It's hurting my back. Trying to. Why does this always happen right when you start a big project? You know, I'm not even like frustrated. I'm just disappointed, but not surprised. You know, I've ran cleaning filament through it. I've unclogged it. And who knows, it might also be the extruder gear, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know, but. Oh yeah, before I forget, if you'd like to support me in any way with my cosplay projects, you can do so by following my Ko-fi, or I have a throwing wish list that I will include in the description of this video. So that's just a couple ways you can support. You don't have to. It doesn't have to be monetarily either. You could just follow. Make sure you're following me everywhere on my socials, which will also be in my description, and also just sharing my posts. That's the biggest way you can support me. I don't ever expect any monetary support in that regard. But if you like to do that, if you like that's what your heart is leading you to do, you could do so by following my coffee or checking out my throne wish list or sharing and following me wherever you see me. So thank you so much in advance. I appreciate it. Just want to build stuff, man. That's all I want to do. That's all I want to do. Just build stuff. It's a mess. Guess it's my fault. You know, it was doing fine. It was doing fine, and then it started clicking. I should have stopped it when it started clicking. Pull this down. Then I'm gonna take it off because I ain't about to burn my stuff. It was going so well too. What? This is part of it all. Oh, I can't wait till I get an auto leveler. I can't. I'm gonna stop saying I can't. I don't like manual leveling. But you know, you do what you gotta do. You do what you gotta do. So I ended up taking the hot end off completely. It just didn't work. It just didn't work. That's okay. That's alright. This was a pain to get off because it was hot glued. I had never had to like go into the bottom of the printer. It was hot glued in there. I was very confused. But I guess that, you know, to keep things from coming apart, but this was a hassle to get out. But this thing is so clogged inside. I mean, it was insane. I didn't realize how bad it was. But like I said, it's a learning experience and I'm not like mad or anything. I just, you know, I'm glad I figured that out now. The new part will be here tomorrow. I'm just glad I figured it out now versus tomorrow, you know, or later, like closer to July when I actually need to have this stuff done before then. It all worked out. It's all gonna work out, so I'm not really that stressed about it, but we'll see how this turns out. So stay tuned for part 2. Catch y'all later.